The TR Industrial Forestry Safety Helmet and Hearing Protection System is a versatile 5-in-1 helmet designed for challenging work environments, particularly in forestry. The comfortable and adjustable headband ensures a secure fit, and the helmet is available in both orange and yellow. Whether facing falling branches, flying debris, or loud noise, this helmet provides complete protection while remaining lightweight and durable. Ideal for various forestry tasks, such as tree felling and trimming, it's a valuable safety tool for forestry professionals. The worn 101575 handheld portable drill winch with a 40-foot synthetic rope is a versatile and lightweight tool suitable for a range of tasks. With a single-line pulling capacity of 750 pounds, it can be used for dragging logs, pulling games, standing walls, stretching fences, loading trailers, and various other demanding pulling jobs. This winch is powered by a standard portable drill and includes a 40 synthetic rope, integrated hawse fair lead, and front and rear rigging hooks for convenience. The free spool clutch simplifies the rigging process, and its compact design makes it easily transportable. Whether for occasional or specific tasks, this winch is a powerful and portable solution. TopG leather tool vest for electricians, carpenters, and construction workers is a versatile and durable tool belt. Made from genuine leather, it offers 12 tool pouches, including a drill holster, hammer loops, flashlight holder, and more. With an adjustable design, it can comfortably fit waist sizes ranging from 32 inches to 50, making it suitable for a variety of professionals. Key features and benefits include its genuine leather construction, ample storage space, easy access to essential tools, and padded back support for added comfort. This tool belt is an excellent choice for electricians, carpenters, and construction workers, providing both durability and convenience for all-day wear. The Klein Tools KT 155 HD heavy-duty 6-in-1 Lineman's ratcheting wrench is a versatile and durable tool designed for utility and construction applications. With 6 sizes in one tool, it accommodates various hardware, including lag bolts, C-clamps, and suspension bolts. The bolt-through design aids in working efficiently in tight spaces, while a non-slip grip and integrated handle enhance usability. Smaller gear teeth enable use in confined areas, and its bright yellow socket ensures visibility. Meeting ANSI and ASME standards, this wrench is a valuable choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The Hurricane 1000-volt Insulated Electrician Screwdriver Set is a comprehensive solution for both professional electricians and DIY enthusiasts. This set consists of 13 screwdrivers with various tip types, all crafted from durable chrome vanadium steel and fortified with hardening and manganese phosphate surface treatment for superior strength and longevity. The added magnetic tips facilitate convenient screw handling. Notably, these screwdrivers are VDE and GS certified for safe usage on live electrical circuits up to 1000 volts, thanks to their distinctive red insulating material, ensuring high visibility and safety protection. With its quality and value, this set is a must-have for anyone working on electrical projects. The Klein Tools Professional Tube Cutter is a reliable and versatile tool designed for cutting copper, brass, aluminum, and thin-walled steel tubing. It stands out with its precise 4-roller tracking system that prevents threading and spiraling, ensuring clean cuts. Additionally, it features a professional reaming tool for deburring the inner surface of the tube after cutting. This tool is highly favored by HVAC professionals, plumbers, electricians, and various tradespeople who require frequent tubing cuts. Its durability and ergonomic design make it a valuable addition to any toolbox, providing a comfortable grip and an extra cutting wheel for convenience. The toenail clippers you described are an excellent choice for seniors dealing with thick toenails. Their long handle provides better leverage, and the wide jaw opening easily accommodates thicker nails. Sharp blades ensure a clean cut, and the additional tools, such as the ingrown toenail tool and nail file, add to their versatility. These features make them an ideal option for seniors with limited dexterity or strength, as they can handle thick nails without causing discomfort. Overall, these well-designed and durable toenail clippers offer a comprehensive solution for various toenail needs. The Ayers 42112 is a highly efficient 4-inch drive mini swivel head hex bit ratchet equipped with a 90-tooth ratcheting mechanism. Its outstanding feature is the mere 4-degree turn required to engage the ratchet, making it particularly suitable for confined spaces. Additionally, the ratchet's head swivels up to 250 degrees, offering increased flexibility in various applications. It includes a magnetic insert for bit retention, preventing bits from falling out, and its lightweight anodized aluminum handle with a knurled grip ensures a comfortable and secure hold. With its practical design and affordability, the Ayers 42112 is a valuable tool for working in tight spaces. The Worth Garden Stand-Up Weeder and Root Removal Tool is a practical and efficient gardening tool with a 33-inch long handle, eliminating the need to bend or kneel while weeding. It features a foot pedal for easy weed removal, and its sharp, pointed claws can penetrate hard soil. Constructed from rust-resistant steel, this tool is both durable and long-lasting, backed by a 3-year warranty. Its benefits include reducing back strain and fatigue, speeding up the weeding process, and ensuring thorough root removal to prevent weed regrowth. Overall, it's a well-designed and effective weeding tool that prioritizes ease of use and durability. The 10-inch 2-direction variable speed compact water-cooled sharpening system for Jer Tools is a versatile and user-friendly sharpening system suitable for both beginners and experienced users. It features a powerful 2-amp motor with adjustable speeds between 90 to 300 revolutions per minute, allowing for precise control during the sharpening process. The system includes a 10-inch 220-grit aluminum oxide sharpening wheel and an 8-inch leather stropping wheel for polishing and finishing. With a water cooling system, this tool prevents overheating and potential damage to your tools, making it an ideal choice for tool maintenance. The Ziter 15PC's adjustable ratchet wrench kit is a versatile tool set perfect for various home repair and maintenance tasks. It comprises a wide range of wrench sizes, including both hex head and socket head wrenches from 8mm to 24mm, and their extra length makes them suitable for accessing confined spaces. The adjustable ratcheting head is a standout feature, allowing quick switching between wrench sizes without detaching the wrench from the fastener, and it can be adjusted up to 180 degrees for enhanced maneuverability in tight spaces. These wrenches are constructed from high-quality chrome vanadium steel, known for their robustness and corrosion resistance, ensuring long-lasting performance, making this set an excellent value for home DIYers. The Yihua 60 watts LED display soldering iron station kit is an all-inclusive soldering kit that provides everything necessary for soldering, featuring a 60 watts digital soldering iron with LED display and PID temperature stabilization, 2 helping hands, 6 additional iron tips, lead-free solder wire, a solder sucker, stainless steel tweezers, and convenient features like degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit conversion, auto sleep, and calibration support. The soldering iron offers quick heating and a broad temperature range from 194° Fahrenheit to 896° Fahrenheit, catering to various soldering tasks, with the LED display ensuring easy temperature monitoring and adjustment. The Boss Hammer BPTI 9-inch titanium smooth boss paw is a versatile and essential tool for professional carpenters, made from lightweight and durable titanium. Its multifunctional design serves as a nail puller, pry bar, and even a light hammer, providing excellent leverage and ease of use. The Boss Paw's curved jaw allows for efficient nail removal from various angles, making it suitable for stubborn nails. The durability of titanium ensures resistance to corrosion and rust, guaranteeing a long-lasting tool. Additionally, it comes with a lifetime warranty, making it a valuable addition to any carpenter's tool belt for easier and faster tasks on the job site. The Acromills plastic tote tool and amp supply cleaning caddy with handle is a versatile and durable storage solution for various items, including cleaning supplies, tools, and small parts. Constructed from industrial-grade molded polymer, it offers lasting durability and features 2 larger compartments along with 2 smaller ones for organized storage. The caddy is equipped with a comfortable handle for easy transport, making it suitable for a range of applications. Whether used for storing cleaning supplies, tools, or small parts, this caddy ensures items are organized, easily accessible, and ready to transport between rooms. Its high-quality construction ensures long-lasting use, making it an excellent choice for versatile storage needs. The Vutex A93 double-edge manual banding trimmer and scraper is a professional-grade tool designed for trimming and scraping edge banding on various materials. Featuring 2 high-quality blades that trim both sides of the edge banding simultaneously, it delivers a clean and polished finish. The scraper blade is also handy for removing excess glue and debris from the edge banding. Lightweight and user-friendly, this tool is suitable for trimming edge banding up to 40 nayang wide, making it a preferred choice for both woodworking professionals and hobbyists. With top-quality, long-life cutter blades, it ensures durability and efficiency in edge banding tasks, resulting in a clean and professional outcome. The Pit Portable 3-drawer steel toolbox is a compact, lightweight, and durable tool storage solution, suitable for DIY enthusiasts, hobbyists, and professionals. Constructed from high-quality Q235 steel with a protective powder coat finish, it offers resistance against rust and corrosion. The toolbox includes 3 smoothly sliding drawers with ball-bearing glides and a top storage compartment for organizing a range of tools, such as wrenches, screwdrivers, sockets, and more. Equipped with a magnetic locking system, it ensures tool security during transport, and the built-in carrying handle enhances portability. The Jer Tools JIC 375 3-hole fiber optic stripper is an indispensable tool for professionals working with fiber optic cables, including installers, electricians, and network technicians. This versatile tool offers precise stripping of common fiber optic cables, making it ideal for a variety of applications. With 3 carefully designed holes, it can strip the fiber jacket, buffer coating, and glass fiber without causing nicks or scratches. The tool is constructed from robust high-carbon steel, ensuring durability, and features a TPR handle for comfort during extended use. Additionally, the safety lock allows for convenient storage when the tool is not in use. The Klein Tools Electrician's Straight Claw Hammer is a top choice among electricians and other professionals who demand durability and reliability in their tools. Crafted with a high-strength fiberglass shaft designed to absorb shock and maintain head tightness, this hammer ensures consistent performance. Its handle features a comfortable, perforated neoprene grip that is securely bonded to the handle, enhancing overall durability. Specifically tailored for electrical work, the 807/18 hammer boasts an extra-long neck and a narrow striking face, making it perfect for accessing tight areas like outlet boxes. A heavy-duty electrician tool belt is a vital asset, designed for durability and comfort, ensuring electricians can efficiently carry and access their essential tools. Constructed from robust materials and reinforced with sturdy stitching and rivets, it features a wide belt for even weight distribution and padded shoulder straps to reduce fatigue. Multiple pockets and pouches cater to various tools, from pliers to screwdrivers, and allow quick and convenient access, enhancing productivity during electrical work. The Wyken Tools Cable Stripper Spiral is a versatile and robust cable stripping tool designed for cables with diameters ranging from 4.5 to 29 mm. Its capabilities include round, spiral, and longitudinal cuts, making it adaptable to various applications. The tool's specialized grind ensures clean sheath removal, even on complex insulations. It offers precise cutting depth adjustments in 0.1 mm increments, minimizing the risk of damaging underlying layers. Additionally, a built-in locking system enhances safety by preventing accidental openings during longitudinal cuts, safeguarding the blade from damage. This high-quality tool is suitable for both professional and DIY use. The Klein Tools Impact Socket Set is a comprehensive 7-piece kit featuring 5 impact-rated sockets and 2 nested adapters. Designed for durability and versatility, the sockets offer a 6-point design to ensure a secure grip and reduce the risk of round-off. Notably, these sockets are dual-drive and compatible with both one 4-inch hex and one 2-inch square drives. The 2 nested adapters provide quick and easy switching between drives, and their cross-hole design prevents unintentional separation from the socket. The set includes various socket sizes, conveniently stored in a portable carrying case. The Capro Set and Match system is an invaluable tool designed for a multitude of tasks, including carpentry, home repairs, DIY projects, construction, and renovation. This versatile system includes a ruler with slide and amp, lock vials for precise marking and leveling, a T-square head handles for easy control, and a knife guide for accurate cutting. Its magnetic base enables hands-free use on metal surfaces, while the durable aluminum construction ensures longevity. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or a DIY enthusiast, this high-quality tool will make your projects more accurate and efficient. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.